Whether you know it or not, farmers, ranchers, small businesses across this country need to be in compliance with a new law that was passed clear back in 2021, but has a compliance date of January 1st, 2025. This piece of legislation is called the Corporate Transparency Act. Basically, what the law requires is for small businesses, those who are organized within the state, S Corps, C Corps, LLCs, those businesses with under 20 employees and under $5 million in gross receipts need to report their beneficial ownership information, those who own your company, those who manage your company, to the federal government, to the Treasury Department by January 1st of next year. This is unbelievably important because the fines for non-compliance of this new law reach into the tens of thousands of dollars and can run you up to 2 years in prison for non-compliance. Anytime you start talking fines and time in prison, obviously we want to make sure right off the bat that any farm and ranch members, any business owners talk to their attorneys before complying and trying to fill out any paperwork. But secondly, a lot of this paperwork can be filled out online by going to the Treasury Department website and just searching for the Corporate Transparency Act documentation. The original purpose of the Corporate Transparency Act was to target those businesses who utilize money laundering or terrorism. Noble goals all the same, but at the same time, if you look at what it means for small businesses across this country, it means increased paperwork and it increased the possibility of fines and, again, potential prison time if they don't comply. So it's unbelievably important for farmers and ranchers and all small businesses to make sure you are talking to your legal professionals to make sure to see if you need to be in compliance of this new law by the January 1st, 2025 deadline. Now, there's a lot more to this rule than what I just went over. There's a lot of exemptions, there's a lot of specifics, there's a lot of paperwork, again, that you can fill out online. But again, more than anything else, farmers and ranchers, small business owners across the country need to make sure that they meet the deadline, make sure they are following through on all the paperwork requirements, and making sure that they are reporting all of the necessary information that the Act requires. The best way to do that is talking to your legal professional. If you need help trying to find an attorney in Nebraska to try to help you fill out the paperwork, Nebraska Farm Bureau does have our list of approved attorneys that you can go to right on our website, www.nefb.org.